gearing up again to go out, try to get some deer. We're a bit late this morning. Temperature's 7. The time's 7:30. The temperature's, I don't know, maybe 15 degrees or something. It's not very cold at all, but we're here late. A few tracks around of other cars coming in, so it looks like there might be other people around, but we didn't see anyone parked. Scott's just gearing up, getting his stuff ready. I'm going to try and head in, and we're going to split up. We've got some radios we're going to communicate on as well. But we just meet up back at a certain spot at a certain time. So that's the plan for today, and yeah, we'll keep you updated, keep you posted. Halfway through this thick bush, the wind is hectic. Probably hear it, but to give you an idea of how thick it is. Well, I've just had a shot at a buck, 30 metres, maybe 35. Arrow was a straight pass through, covered in blood. A lot of blood. There's a trail here. I'm just going to wait a few minutes, see if I can hear something. It ran up the hill. I didn't hear a crash or anything, so I'll just see. I'll go for a bit of a walk, see if I can see more signs of blood and track him down. It was a good shot. I don't think he went far. So, walking up the hill, tracking this thing down. Take that off. Walking up the hill, tracking this down, following the blood trail. And we're right on the edge of the forest, and Scott caught up with me. We've got the radios going, so we could locate each other pretty easily. It's a big walk through. This bush is thick as heck, but walking up here.
Awesome.
Through the thick and over the crest. The shot was a bit far back, but he was on the move. To say I'm stoked is an understatement. You can see where the shot was a bit low, but
You can see
a bit far back.
Lost a lot of weight as well in the rut.
Yeah.
Because all they do is fight and try and root.
He was bedded, and I was up to about here in bracken fern. He didn't know what I was. And he was on a ridge on an angle, and it was just pretty much like, it was even thicker than this, and he didn't know what I was. And then he was just looking knackered sitting down, and then he stood up, and I'd already drawn up by then, and when I took the shot, obviously he's jumped the string, and that's why it's hit further back. And then he's ran. The distance from here to where it was is about 50 metres uphill. It just goes up and around, and he's obviously come around this way and landed here.
That's friggin' awesome. Yeah.
You don't even know. How long has it been since I've been trying to get something like this?
It's been a long time. Yeah.
Nearly 7 years, I reckon. Today it came together. Temperature's perfect, weather's good. The little bit of rain last night, I think, made everything really quiet to walk around. Like, he didn't even hear me coming until I was 30 metres away or something. But yeah, just took the shot, and he's jumped forward a little bit, and this is how it happens.
Sweet.
There's the arrow. It's like it was covered in blood. All right, so we've got the deer back straps.
Yep.
And some eye fillets off it, and you can't keep the cape. The skin is just too
It
wrecked.
was just that, yeah, badly damaged.
Battle scars and everything like that on it. It's terrible. So we've got the
Stuck
head.
a lot.
The head with the antlers will turn into a Euro mount, and yeah, we'll just start the push back to the car now. What's the time? 11:15. We'll be back by 12.
Yeah, hopefully.
Get head home, but yeah, now the push through. Well, back at the car. What's the time? 11:15.
Yeah,
Quicker than we thought. Yeah, we've smashed it through. But fun just begins. Get it mounted on the wall, I reckon, as quick as we can. So happy. Anybody who's been hunting for a long period of time has never had a chance to do something like that. And then finally do it. Wow. It's amazing. And they get it with the bow as well. Didn't get the shot on camera, but you know, can't win them all. Anyways, signing off.
See you.
See you next time.